369, the goose drank wine, the monkey chewed tobacco on the streetcar line. The line broke, the monkey got choked, and we all went to heaven in a little rowboat.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yeah.
Hello, my name's Alyssa Dunn. These are my friends, Billy Bob, Duke, and Beach Bear and Fats.
Mitzi.
Mitzi.
Yeah, well, hi there, Alyssa. You must be our offstage announcer today, huh?
Yes.
And I guess you want to tell everybody that we're taking them back to their childhood memories today with these kitty songs, huh?
Yes.
Well, great. Well, do you have any childhood memories?
No.
Everybody row, row, row your boat, yeah, up and down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's but a dream. Life is but a...
Listen here, my baby, and don't say a word. Billy Bob will buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, Billy Bob will buy you a diamond ring, and if that diamond ring don't shine, it's gonna break this heart of mine, and that's why I keep on telling everybody now.
Whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, hey, everybody, have you heard? He's gonna buy me a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, he's gonna buy me a diamond ring, and if that diamond ring don't shine, he's gonna break this heart of mine, and that's why I keep on shouting, you gotta hear.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Well, folks, some nursery rhymes have asked questions that have bothered man ever since the beginning of time. Let's see how Mitzi asked the eternal question, what the heck's out there anyway? Well, come on, everybody, this one ought to bring you back. Yeah, come on, help me out, Looney Bird. Okay. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. And I don't care. And I don't care. Looney Bird, those aren't the words. I don't care. Looney Bird, you bird brain.
Hey, y'all, come on, get your hands together and help me out with the coolest little nursery rhyme I ever heard. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, sat down beside her and said, what you got in the bowl, baby? What you got in the bowl for me?
Look here, Jack and Jill went up a hill to fetch a pail of water. And Jack fell down and he busted his crown.
And Jill's selling Tupperware and wearing sensible shoes.
Take a break, Rolf. just one second. I want to tell you a story I heard. Y'all won't believe this. I bet you never heard this before. But hey, you guys, bring it down back there. There was this frog. He was easing down the road one day, decided he wanted to go into this bank to get a loan. He spoke to the lady behind the desk, Miss Paddywhack, said, need a loan. She said, well, you're going to have some collateral. What do you have for collateral? He reached down in his pocket, all he had was a little trinket thing, and he tossed it up there on the desk. Paddywhack looked it over with the bifocals and said, you're going to have to talk to the boss. So she scurried on back to the boss's office and said, look, the frog is here, he wants a loan. All he's got for collateral is this little thing here, and I don't even know what it is. The old man glanced down at it, looked up at it, and said, it's a knick-knack, Paddywhack, give the frog a loan. That's a cool old man. This old man,
He plays one.
he played
Knick-knack.
on my drum with a knick-knack.
Paddywhack.
Give the frog a loan.
This old man came rolling home.
This old man, he plays one. He plays knick-knack on my drum with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a frog a loan. This old man came rolling home.
Come on, y'all, help us out. This old man,
He played two.
he played
Knick-knack.
on my shoe with a knick-knack.
Paddywhack.
Give the frog a loan.
This old man came rolling home.
This old man, he plays two. He plays knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a frog a loan. This old man came rolling.
Let me give that frog a loan. Come on. Now, the frog did get his loan, but he spent it all on a Saturday night.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
On a Monday.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Tuesday.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
How about a Wednesday?
All on a Saturday night.
How about a Thursday?
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Oh, baby, now.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Oh, get in a circle.
Here we go, loop-de-loop.
Jump around.
All on a Saturday night.